Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Confirm you have admin access to the source and target systems. Ensure you use an account with permission to list and attach snapshots. Ensure network ports 443 and 22 are open between both systems. Check firewall rules on each host before proceeding with connections. Verify snapshots are enabled and storage has at least 15 GB free. Take an initial backup copy to a safe location before you touch snapshots. Use the provider console to create a progressive snapshot policy with 3-day retention. Assign the policy to the target volume so automatic snapshots begin immediately. Run the sync command to connect snapshots using the provider API token. Monitor API output for status codes 200 and 202 to confirm acceptance. Confirm the snapshot chain lists a base snapshot followed by incremental deltas. Save the connection log for auditing and rollback if needed. Mount the latest snapshot as read-only to verify file integrity. Inspect key files and metadata to ensure timestamps and sizes are correct. Perform a test restore of a 100 MB file to confirm data continuity. Run integrity checks such as checksums or hash comparisons after restore. If errors occur, check API logs for 401 or 503 status codes and retry the connection sequence. Document.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.